In this video, we're going to cover some of the newer Project M toppers made by 4-wheel campers. If a customer does not order a battery system from us, and they're going to be doing their own wiring, their own battery install to power the lights and the fans, in this rear corner you have pre-wiring. You have a black and a purple for third brake light. Purple is going to be the positive, black is going to be the negative or the ground. Most of the time your dealer will install this third brake light wiring for you. The two green wires here that are stubbed out are for rear floodlights. If you wanted to add your own floodlights, and this is what you would use to install a switch, basically a light switch, on and off switch. And the red and the black wires are your main power source. This is what customers use to hook up to their own battery source. These are 12-volt wiring. That's very important. It's not 120. This is not house current. This is not AC. This is 12-volt DC battery. We always recommend, and we highly recommend, you fuse these as well. So you have an inline fuse, but a little thicker because it's providing power to the fuse block and the whole camper for your lights, fans, and whatever accessories you have. But red, positive, black, negative, they're labeled. Rear floodlights, third brake light, and then pre-wiring for the solar if you want to add your own solar panel on the roof and a solar charge controller. The newest 4-wheel campers, the pre-wiring for solar is right behind this plastic racing. There's usually 3 or 4 screws. Take those screws out, this will come off. You'll have your red and black back here, and it's a much thicker wiring because increase the gauge of the wiring. You can see the wiring actually exposed here, but it's tucked in here for solar. There'll be a port on the roof for the solar plug. And then your back block right here is fuse block. You have your negative for all your ground wires. Positive feed that powers all of your spades, and you can tap into this and add components to it for whatever you want. So give us a call in the service department if you have any further questions. Thank you.